Hi guys. This video will show you how to fix Snipping Tool Shortcut not working in Windows 10. Before moving on with the solutions to fix the snipping tool, make sure your keyboard is not in the gaming mode. Method 1. Restart the File Explorer. The shortcut might not work as intended if the File Explorer of your system is stuck in an error state. Open Task Manager. Now, right-click on the Windows Explorer and select Restart. Then check if the Snipping Tool Shortcut is working fine. Method 2. Install the Snip and Sketch application from the Microsoft Store. Launch a web browser and navigate to the Snip and Sketch page of Microsoft Store. Now click on the Get button and then select Open Microsoft Store. Then click on the Get button and then on the Install button to install Snip and Sketch. Once installed, check if the Snip and Sketch shortcut is working fine. Method 3. Disable the Focus Assist. Right-click on the Action Center icon in the Systems tray and select Focus Assist. Now, in the submenu, choose Off and check if the snipping tool is working fine. If the issue is still there, then click on the Action Center icon and then right-click on the Focus Assist. Now select Go to Settings and then click Customize your priority list, even if you have turned off the Focus Assist. Then check if Snip and Sketch is present under Apps. If the application is not there, then click on Add an App, and in the list of apps shown, add Snip and Sketch. Then check if the Snip and Sketch shortcut is working fine. Method 4. Reset the Snip and Sketch application to the defaults. Click on the Start menu and select Settings. Then select Apps. And expand Snip and Sketch. Now open Advanced Options. And click on Terminate. Then check if the problem is solved. If not, click on the Reset button. And then confirm to reset the Snip and Sketch application. Method 5. Use the Notifications panel. Take a screenshot using the shortcut and click on the Action Center icon to check if the screenshot is shown in the notifications. If the screenshot is not shown in the notifications, click on the Action Center icon and select All Settings. Now open the system. And select Notifications and Actions in the left pane. Then, in the right pane, toggle the switch of Get Notifications from Apps and Other Senders. Now, scroll down and under the Get Notifications from these senders, make sure Snip and Sketch is enabled. Then check if the Snip and Sketch shortcut is working fine.